foment fawr yn y Charollais. Ni'n chwilio nawr am y pencampwr. Mae da ni'r Albanwr yn erbyn y Cymro. Tom, mae'n pawb yn eifgar nawr I ffindo mas pwy sydd wedi mynd â hi.
Yr un, lot o amser wedi mynd mewn I ddewis y ddoi yma. Ddau ni fel ffantastig.
Teulu'r Ingrams gyda'r chwrdd blwydd a wedyn Pencampwriaeth o Aberhonddu gyda'r ddafod flwydd. Wel, am bar, fe fydd rhain yn bwerus fel falle par o bosib yn y rhyngfryd diwedd yr wythnos. A dyna ni! Y ddafod blwydd! Chwarae teg, arbennig, rhagorol. Oedd e'n emosiynol gynnau, dde?
Oedd, am ddafad. Wedi gwely ar dechrau'r dydd mor sgwar. Ffantastig. Mor hapus i'r teulu yna.
Ffantastig. Chwarae teg. Ben!
A bit speechless now, to be honest.
No way!
Not usually, but I am now. No, over the moon. Tremendous. No, chuffed a bit.
What does it mean?
So much. Makes all the hard work paid off, doesn't it? You know, a lot of work goes into it. People, you know, don't understand some. Well, not understand, but don't realise, innit? You know, it's a lot of hours and a lot of faffing about and tarting up, innit? And, you know, to get them right for today. But no, it's a few months' work, you know, innit? It's a lot goes into it. And a lot of time and dedication. So
years of dedication.
Makes it all worthwhile, doesn't it? No, it's brilliant.
And it's a tough class, isn't it? The Charollais every year.
Always is, isn't it? Always good competition. And no, it is.
How many years have you been competing?
Probably 15 or so. Yeah. No, first champion here for us. So no, over the moon.
Today's your day.
Yeah.
And make sure you go and celebrate hard.
Well, hopefully, innit?
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Well done, you.
Cheers.